Going down the memory lane, I can see myself as a 3-year-old standing between dad and mom in front bench of our Ambassador. A couple of years later, I remember while driving, dad would reach back and hold my perpetually moist and sticky hand in his own. And sometimes he would adjust the rearview mirror to gaze at my adorable little face as I jabbered at him. Spare me the safety lectures. I'm just reliving the moment here. Ah, they were the glorious days when I clinched on the cushions of my seat and affectionately called him Ambi. I can still hear echoes of it in my head. My little brother and I would sit in the back, vying for the window seat. My father drove and our Persian cat sat imperiously in front, pretending he was a navigator. Looking back, I realize we've had our deepest and most vulnerable conversations in our Ambi, which was also called the King of Indian Roads. The trademark Ambassador, sometimes known as the National Car of India, is still in the hearts of many. There are kids who devotedly maintain their father's Ambassador even though they are rich enough to buy the latest cars. There are women who ride the Ambi in remembrance of their husbands. After I got my driving license, I remember how I enjoyed going on long rides with my Ambi. The quarter glass open, my elbow on the window, and wind in my hair. During the floods, Ambi got through submerged and pothole roads like a champion where other cars struggled. It's a lovely car, and any mechanic on the roadside can set it right. For almost 6 decades, the Ambassador traversed across India, carrying multiple generations of Indian families, from common man to dignitaries. The usual image of 13 people from 3 different generations packed inside it, 5 of them in the seat next to the driver, is still etched in the memories of many. It was a quintessential part of India, manufactured by Hindustan Motors in the year 1958. The immediate predecessor of Ambassador was Landmaster. Later on, facelifts happened, naming it Mark II, Mark III, Mark IV, Nova, Classic, Grand and Avigo. In 2013, BS4 engine was adapted to satisfy the emission norms and renamed the model Enco. In 2014, Ambassador came to a complete stall. Ambi the Legend is a single car which was in production for the longest period, from 1958 to 2014. It was also awarded the best taxi in the world by BBC for their top program Top Gear in the year 2013. Ambi is still around the corner. Me, along with a bunch of passionate Ambassador car enthusiasts, have formed a club called Amrocks in our hometown Kottayam. We're dedicated to the collection, preservation and cherishing of Ambassador cars. Proud to say that Amrocks has grown to more than 100 active members. As Ambi lovers, we protect our cars with passion and have a deep bond with it. Cars have been pristinely maintained, although most of them have been passed down generations and are still functional even years after production. We do meet quite frequently. Such meetings are fun and insightful. Members are dedicated to serving others through participation in events and activities that reflect positively on the Ambi community. Apart from the fun rides, we also conduct charity drives. We all have an absolutely amazing time without doubt. But hey, Ambi cannot speak for itself. If it could, it would probably say, "Hi, I'm here. I've been here all along, and I'm going to be here as long as you need me. I may not be stylish and sleek like my new counterparts, but I can sure deliver unmatched comfort to my passengers. No matter what advancement happens in the auto industry, my name will be engraved in the minds of any auto enthusiast.